Hey everyone, welcome back to BitFix. Today we're diving deep into the process of applying for the Open Door Scholarship 2024 and how to properly fill out your portfolio for stage 1, as well as tips for tackling the entrance test. So, if you're aiming for this amazing opportunity, stay tuned. First things first, head over to the official Open Door website. You'll need to sign up and create an account by filling out a simple form. Just provide some basic information, and once that's done, you'll have your account set up and ready to go. After signing up, you'll need to select the universities you want to apply to. You can choose up to 6 universities and rank them in order of preference from 1 to 6. This is an important step, so take your time to research and decide which universities align with your goals. Stage 1 is all about setting up your portfolio and preparing for the entrance test. This stage is crucial as it forms the foundation of your application, so it's important to give it your best effort. The first step in this process is selecting the subjects you want to apply for. Once you've made your selections, your portfolio will display your overall progress and the selected subjects. This portfolio becomes your hub for managing the next steps, allowing you to keep track of your status as you proceed through the application. Next, you'll need to head to the education section where you'll upload all your educational documents. It's important to ensure that you have scanned copies of everything required, like your transcripts and certificates, ready to be uploaded. This ensures a smooth process and helps avoid any last-minute scrambling. Following that, you will need to write a motivation letter for each subject you apply for. This is your chance to express why you're passionate about studying a particular subject and why you are a suitable candidate. Make sure to tailor each letter specifically for the subject you're applying for, as a well-crafted letter can significantly impact your chances of selection. It's worth investing the time to make each one thoughtful and relevant. After completing the motivation letters, you'll move on to the achievement section. This is a critical part of your portfolio where you should include any awards, certifications, or projects that highlight your skills and accomplishments. Being thorough here can make a big difference as it showcases your strengths and sets you apart from other applicants. The final part of stage 1 is the entrance test. For each subject you apply for, you'll need to take an online test, which consists of 45 questions and is timed at 1 hour. You get up to 3 attempts for each subject, so it's important to use these attempts wisely to maximize your score. The higher your score, the better your ranking and chances of moving on to the next stage, so take the time to prepare and give it your best shot. To wrap up, that's everything you need to know about the first stage of the Open Door Scholarship application process. Remember, this stage is all about building a strong portfolio, carefully selecting your universities, and performing well in the entrance tests. It might seem like a lot, but with the right preparation, you can ace it. And if you're looking for more detailed guidance on writing a compelling motivation letter or tips for preparing for the entrance tests, stay tuned. I'll be making in-depth videos on those topics soon. So don't forget to subscribe to BitFix, hit the bell icon, and give this video a thumbs up to make sure you don't miss out on those valuable tips. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your application.